I know, my hair is crazy today. Yeah, it's crazy. That's just what it's going to be. Okay, hold on. Let's try and get this camera level set up here. Oh, crazy. It's just, all right. Hey, everybody. Adam Savage in my cave with a show and tell today. No, I am not doing a Joe Biden impression. I'm wearing one of my favorite pairs of aviators. I know, I fixed a pair of old Ray-Ban aviators on tested last year. That pair has broken again. I still have to repair it. So this is one of my go-to pairs. This is an old stainless steel pair of, who makes these? These are, oh my God, it's just too, is it too small? American Optics. That's what this is. Hold on. A 5.5 American Optics. Yeah. Those, well, I don't need that much light on me. Those Ray-Bans I fixed last year on tested, those were expensive restored Ray-Bans by a company called Retrospecs. And I that's not what I'm going to pay for every pair of sunglasses by any stretch of the imagination. These you can find on eBay for like $75. They're fantastic. And the reason that I've got them out is because of today's show and tell, which happens to be a gift from my friends at LunaReplicas.com. Knowing me, you know that I love all things NASA and space. And by the way, holy hell, we landed one of our crafts on another celestial body last week. It's totally amazing. And in celebration of that, Luna Replicas sent me a case for my eyeglasses. Yeah. And I'm about to open it up. I want to bring in you for a close-up so you can see kind of how awesome the way Luna Replicas does things. Because Luna Replicas, founded by my friend Max Kaiserman, is a company devoted to making realistic, beautiful, usable replicas of NASA hardware because they love the history of American exploration, or the world exploration, and Max chooses to celebrate it. I can't think of a better reason to make stuff and sell it to people. And I'm delighted to have a friendship with Max that I get to receive these things from time to time. Let me switch this to a close-up. So there's my glasses, and here is the package from Luna Replicas. Let's zoom up just a little bit. First and foremost, they include a sticker, a Luna Replica sticker. It looks very much like a NASA sticker. I just dig that stuff. It comes in an anti-static bag, which feels delightfully authentic. Are there two? Oh, no, there's two glasses cases in here. Oh, my goodness. Oh, ooh, stickers. Okay, got to get to those in a minute. These are, right, okay, so this is the sunglass pouch. And the thing about the sunglass pouches, these two are, pouch, pen. Oh, wait, this is a pouch for pens and miscellaneous, and this is the sunglasses pouch. Okay, so note that Luna Replicas has exactly replicated the label and typeface. See that? Luna Rep. They're making it clear to anyone who did any tiny bit of research that these are not authentic bits of NASA hardware. Inside this is a piece that was very hard to replicate, and it is this. So this is exactly how NASA's astronaut-issued sunglass case worked. You took your aviators, you put them in there, and they were protected because they had this hard, well, sorry, let me just clip that and close it for real. There we go. They were protected because of this internal shell creating some structure around the glasses. And when Max and I first met, he was asking me for advice about replicating this, and I gave some advice about vacuum forming. Max went out and he actually went through all the trouble to have this injection molded. It is a perfect replica. It's just beautiful. Oh man, look at that. See that? That is like, that is worth keeping in my car, right? This is not made of beta cloth like the originals. It is made in a coated nylon, similar to my spacesuit. And it's a beautiful piece. That's it. I just wanted to show you what Lunar Replicas is doing. You can have beautifully authentic pieces of NASA hardware sent to your door by these guys. We'll include a link in the comments below. And it just makes me really happy. So, lovely. They sent me two actual pouches. One is the NASA pouch for pens and miscellaneous, and the other is a sunglass pouch. Yeah, this bit of injection molded plastic is a fantastic. Nope, nobody else made this, right? Like, some of these exist from NASA, but Max's is the most accurate one out there. If you want a lovely sunglass case that harkens to the American space age, then get thyself some of these one of these sunglass pouches from Lunar Replicas. I know this sounds a little like a commercial for Lunar Replicas, and that's because it is. I want Max to sell tons of his stuff. I'm not interested in commerce for commerce sake, but I love the idea of making something that you're passionate about that you sell to other people who are passionate about those things. That is why I formed a company to sell my bags and aprons and other various sundries and bits and bobs. And it is a link that I share with Max Kaiserman, the founder of Lunar Replicas, that he makes this because he loves American space, America and world space history, the history of humans. Let me put it this way. He loves the history of human spaceflight and chooses to celebrate that while also making the things he makes available to other people. And that is a delightful life's mission. Plus, some critical space item stickers for me to put where I would like. Oh, yeah. I'm going to have to figure out where these go. That's my next task. Thank you guys for joining me for this very quick and dirty show and tell. I'm a happy camper. These are gorgeous. Thanks, Max. Thanks, everybody, for joining me. I will see you next time.